Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring the Z Code NFC pen is charged and paired to your phone via Bluetooth, because communication must be stable. Open the Z Code app and grant NFC permissions so the system can write tags. In the app, choose the correct tag type, NTag 213, 215, or 216, since capacity affects what you can store. Once done, use the app's erase command to clear any old data. This prevents conflicts when writing new records. Now you're ready to compose the first NDEF payload. Now you'll compose the NDEF message inside the app. Pick a URL, plain text, vCard, or a custom MIME type depending on the use case. Make sure to set optional security, a password or lock bits if you want to prevent rewriting, because protection is irreversible in some cases. Place the NFC tag flat on a non-metal surface and align the pen's antenna over the tag center. Keep it steady for 1 to 2 seconds while the app confirms a successful write. Repeat for additional tags as needed. Finish by reading back the tag with the app's Verify feature to confirm the payload and integrity. This ensures user devices will read the intended content. If everything checks out, you may lock the tag permanently, but only do that after verification because it's often irreversible. If writing fails, recheck the tag type, reposition the pen's antenna, ensure the Z Code pen battery is sufficient, and confirm NFC and Bluetooth permissions in your phone. If problems persist, try a different tag or restart the app and pen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.